take it real soon.
Hello, beautiful people. Come and let's clean the garden today.
Okay, give it to me, Louis. Louis! Why are you doing that?
Oh, what's going on now?
It was a fresh made pile and she ruined it. I'm a witch cat.
Good. You're a witch cat. It's good for you.
I have a boy in my room.
Yeah. You're very old. switch it off now. Hi, ito yung life natin when it's summer, no? But no complain. Kailangan lang nating magtrabaho, no? Let's go. Diyan muna kayo at bababa ako. Ayan, tingnan nyo naman yung nangyayari na ngayon. Diba? Malinis na. Ayan sa likod ko. So, meron na tayong dyan sa trailer. So, meron na tayong nakukolekt na mga putol na mga hedge dyan. Mga pinutol na hedge. Ayan, diba? So, sobrang malinis na. Pero, naku, hindi pala ito, no? Hindi siya... It's a good exercise actually, pero it's a team effort naman ito, hindi lang ako, kami ng dalawa ng husband ko, kaysa magkukuha tayo ng pumuputol dito, di ba? So, kailangan maging productive day. Ganito talaga pag summer. And like I've said, mahal pag meron tayong kinukuha na pumuputol. So, wala naman tayong ginagawa. So, tayo lang gumagawa, diba? Ayan, diba? Malinis na. So, we're almost there. Pero hindi almost there actually. Ang dami pa. Ano lang ito? Baka 1/4 lang ito. Ayan, oh, diba? And aside from that, ayan, diba? Meron pa sa other side. Kasi hindi namin abot dito. So, pupunta naman kami sa other side. Anyway, samahan nyo ako sa aking gardening journey. Ayan, beautiful people. Stop muna tayo. Hindi na tayo tutuloy. Ano ba tutuloy? So, this is it for today. Maghanap na rin tayo ng ibang araw, no, para sa lahat kasi, di ba? Ayun, oh, from there, di ba? Tapos hanggang dito. Ayan. Diba? So, at doon, kasi meron pa doon eh, yan oh. Hanggang dulo doon. Let's find another day. So, sa ibang araw na yan. And ayan, malinis na. Sobrang linis na dyan. So, meron tayong productive day today, hindi puro lazy day kasi maganda naman yung araw. At yes, pag maganda yung araw, labas agad kasi hindi naman lahat, most of the time, diba, it's raining here in Ireland. So pag maganda ang araw, labas tayo. And thank you. I'll see you in my next vlog. Be kind, beautiful people. Bye.
Is it too much to ask? Is it too much to wonder? I'll be